Today, I'll show you how to rewrite an article using Grammarly with ease. Whether you're looking to refine your writing or give it a fresh perspective, Grammarly's paraphrasing tool is a fantastic resource to help you achieve just that. So, let's dive in and explore how you can effectively rewrite your article. First, head over to your Grammarly dashboard by navigating to app.grammarly.com. Once you're there, you'll have the option to either upload your existing document or start fresh with a new one. If you choose to upload, simply click the Upload button and select your article file. You can import files in formats such as doc, X, text, or RTF. Alternatively, if you prefer to paste your text directly into Grammarly, click on New and enter your content into the editor. Now, you'll notice a column of icons on the extreme right edge of your screen. Among these icons is one that looks like a page with wrapping arrows. This represents the paraphraser tool. Click on this icon to get started with paraphrasing your content. Next, highlight the first paragraph of your article. What happens is that the highlighted text will automatically load into the paraphraser's input box located on the side panel. This makes it super convenient to work through your document section by section. Before you proceed with the rephrasing, you'll need to select your target settings. These settings allow you to tailor the output to better fit your needs. For the tone, you have a few options to choose from: formal, academic, informative, persuasive, or direct. Depending on the purpose of your article, select the tone that best aligns with your intended message. Additionally, you'll want to decide on the length of the rewritten text. Grammarly offers 3 choices here. You can keep it the same length, shorten it, or expand it. This flexibility ensures that the paraphrased content integrates seamlessly with the rest of your document. Once you've set your preferences, click the Rephrase button. Grammarly will then generate several paraphrasing options for you to choose from. Scroll through these options and pick the one that resonates best with your intended tone and purpose. When you've found the perfect fit, click Insert to replace the old paragraph in your document with the newly rephrased one. Continue this process for each section of your article. By working through your document paragraph by paragraph, you can ensure that the entire article maintains a consistent tone and style. This methodical approach not only enhances readability, but also helps to keep your audience engaged. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to rewrite an article using Grammarly. This tool is incredibly useful for anyone looking to improve their writing, whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator. By taking advantage of Grammarly's paraphrasing capabilities, you can produce polished and engaging content with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide. Give it a try and see how Grammarly can transform your writing today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Happy writing!